Hello, my name is METİN ARIDAŞIR. This is 116th part of explanation of my theory. Here my energy formulas for a single electron motion form. Remember, for an electron motion form, there are two masses and there are two energies components. Say this is the one of surface point of electron motion form. Here, this point, M. Speed of light direction, here. Each successive waves, remember, for free electron motion form, each successive wave through eternity in all directions, if electron motion form is not relocating, it produces and propagates successive waves, and these waves, for each direction, speed of light for each waves through the eternity in all direction, propagation speed is c. But remember, for each direction. But remember, this is cycling of electron motion form. First cycle n equal 1, second cycle n equal 2, and each cycle has linear velocity Vg. Now here n is equal to 1, Vg is 1,884,000 kilometers per second. Second, 2 multiplied by 1,884,000 kilometers per second goes on like this, in this way. 3 Vg, 2 Vg, 1 Vg. Okay. Goes on, 1 Vg for first number of wave, 2 Vg for second, 3 Vg for third. Okay. But in the c direction, always c. Always c. For first cycle c, for second cycle c. Okay. But now I'm summarizing. Yes, I have two formulas for single electron motion form. Energy formulas for any point, mass or energy point of electron motion form. Yes, in c direction, this is my energy formula for point energy formula for electron motion form in the c direction. And in linear direction, in c direction component mass for mass, this is in the c direction component energy. E equal to mc multiplied by c squared divided by n squared. This component follows inverse square law. For each point, for each successive wave, E divided by n square and inversely proportional to n square for each point energy decreases in the c direction. But this is not so for linear mass component, linear velocity component energy. this is the case here. Okay, I hope you see. Yes. Here, for linear velocity component, point energy formula, my formula is mvg multiplied by 1,884,000 km per second square. 2 pi c square. Always, for each successive waves, linear velocity direction energy is same. Okay, remember, this is for only single n equal 1, this is C component energy, this is linear velocity component energy, greater than this. Okay, and here we are again. Remember this. Yes, I will put here multiplied by n square. Okay. Yes. Don't forget, this mass or energy component of point mass or point energy component of C direction point mass or C direction energy component, I'm so sorry, component of electron motion form, mechanical interaction component, don't forget, mechanical interaction component, this side, okay. But here, this side, linear velocity component energy or linear velocity component mass, okay. Electronic and electrical interaction component. You may see Joule component or EV component. No, remember, EV is not equal to Joule. My previous video, I advise you to watch, and my former videos. Here I summarized my two formulas. Yes, snapshot. I will explain in detail next. Good evening. See you later.